Hi guys, this is a real replica of the town of Jerusalem, and I'm gonna just take a really quick walkthrough because I can't have like a lot of music from excuse me, the actual play or anything featured in the video, just because of copyright and everything attached to that. But I do want to show you the most important parts of this full scale, which is amazing. And you can kind of pause it, zoom in, and actually see that this is huge in diameter. And I mean, everything is this really scales to detail, full on color and thoughtfulness of mountains and rivers and everything attached, the soldiers. And why don't we put it back, Chris, before we get in trouble, Christian? And so we have here, yeah, soldier training camp. Yep, I got that. And towns and villages. And I don't know. We'd have to look and search for them, yeah? And then we have behind the scenes of the other towns and villages. I mean, this is truly amazing and full to scale. And this must be when it's the king's palace and everything. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Look, even right there. Look,
Yeah. Oh, wow. That was a good bring up.
Yeah, I guess you're right. They have palm trees.
Yeah, they have palm trees. Hey, can you get on with that ball? So, I mean, I just think that the whole thing is just...
Watch where you're going.
This is really great. I just wanted to bring you a little piece of the full-scale model to you. All right, guys.
Did you just get inside that
I
building?
did.
You did?
Bye.